This short video will show you how to upload an assignment into your course or a photo if you have a picture. You click on your course and it opens. You go to the week where you want to submit an assignment. In this case, it happens to be week 5. You scroll to the bottom and you will see the assignment. If you click, even if you've already submitted, you click Submit, and this is where it shows you've already submitted something. If you need to edit, you would just simply click and you could choose to delete it, and it asks you to make sure. And we're going to delete this one. You click OK. And this is what it looks like the first time you go to submit. So you can either click this and go search in your computer where you've saved your files, or a really easy way is to just drag in the photo or the image that you need to upload in your course. When you're finished, make sure you click Save Changes, or the document you uploaded or dragged in will not be saved. So click Save Changes. And then when it refreshes on the screen, you can see over here, submission status submitted for grading. And then you're finished. That's all it takes.